Hello and welcome to the HiCAD short clips. In this video I would like to present to you our completely redesigned tab connection. Let's start right away with the new connection 2310. Here, as with all other connections, the graphics now show the direction of the profiles. In the Strap tab under Connection Type, the following options are available: without stiffener, with stiffener, notch. Accordingly, the tab for the setting parameters of the stiffener or notch also changes. Then there are further options for the selection of the geometric reference while creating the connecting strap. Then I load the previously created configuration and make the connection. The subsequent modification of setting parameters works as usual via the feature log. These are immediately transferred into the drawing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.